The healing happens when we allow the tears to fall. As we get on our knees and pray to God, we see the water fall. April showers brings Mayflowers, peace, unity, and love to all. Untangle your pain into a new start. Plant a new seed to heal your heart. Worshiping, praying, having hope, believing in something we can't see. Happy new month. This is what April means to me.